How to change Instagram password. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can change Instagram password. Now changing Instagram password is quite simple and easy. Simply open up Instagram app and you'll get an interface like this once you're logged into your account. Now here what you want to do is after logging into your account, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Simply tap on the profile icon there and you'll get an interface like this. That'll be your profile here. Now on your profile, what you want to do is tap on the three horizontal line icon at the top right corner of your screen. You can see the three horizontal line icon. Simply tap on it and head into settings and privacy. Under settings and privacy, simply head into the first option, account center here. Now what you want to do is here if you scroll down below under account settings, you can see the option password and security. Simply tap on the third option, password and security, and you can see the very first option there, change password. Simply tap on change password and it'll ask you to choose an account here. Simply choose your Instagram account and type in your current password and type in your new password and retype your new password and your Instagram password will be changed. So this way you can change Instagram password. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.